If Photoshop is showing a Vulkan or C++ runtime error, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a background process conflict, an outdated graphics driver, or a damaged Visual C++ installation. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix the Photoshop Vulkan error step by step, so you can get back to editing without constant crashes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes. First, let's deal with Adobe background processes. A lot of times the issue starts with services like CCX Process or other Adobe startup apps that run in the background and interfere with Photoshop on launch. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, click the Startup tab or Startup Apps section. Look for anything related to Adobe, such as Adobe Creative Cloud, CCX Process, or similar entries. Right-click each one and choose Disable. This will stop them from launching automatically when your computer starts. After disabling those startup items, restart your computer and try opening Photoshop again. In many cases, this simple step fixes the Vulkan error right away. If Photoshop is still not working, the next thing to do is update your graphics drivers. Photoshop depends heavily on your GPU for rendering, and if the driver is outdated, corrupted, or incompatible, you can get Vulkan or OpenGL errors. Go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you use NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA driver download page and look for the latest studio driver. If you use AMD, go to the AMD drivers and support page and download the newest version available for your card. Once the download finishes, install the driver carefully and complete the setup. If possible, choose a clean install option so the old driver files are removed first. After that, restart your PC and open Photoshop again. A fresh GPU driver often resolves graphics backend problems immediately. Now let's fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime, because this is another common source of Vulkan adapter errors. Photoshop and its related components rely on the Visual C++ redistributable packages, and if they're missing or damaged, the app may fail during startup. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Support Downloads page. Download the latest x64 version of the Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022 redistributable. If you see both x64 and x86 options, the x64 version is the one you want for most modern systems. Run the installer, follow the prompts, and complete the installation. If the package is already installed, you may still want to repair it or reinstall it to replace corrupted files. Once that's done, restart your PC and test Photoshop again. Another very important step is closing screen recorders, overlays, and other conflicting apps. Programs like OBS Studio, Discord Overlay, Steam Overlay, FPS counters, or performance monitoring tools can interfere with Photoshop's rendering pipeline and trigger Vulkan backend issues. Before launching Photoshop, temporarily close those applications completely. Don't just minimize them, make sure they're fully exited from the system tray and background processes as well. Then open Photoshop and see if the error is gone. If it works, you found a conflict and can turn those apps back on one by one to identify the exact cause. If you have both an integrated GPU and a dedicated GPU, this step is also very important. Sometimes Photoshop tries to run on the wrong graphics processor, which can lead to driver errors or Vulkan crashes. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the NVIDIA control panel and set Photoshop to use the high-performance NVIDIA processor. If you're on AMD, open AMD Radeon software and make sure Photoshop is assigned to the dedicated graphics card. This helps ensure Photoshop uses the strongest and most compatible GPU on your system. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix the Photoshop Vulkan error, disable Adobe startup processes, update or clean install your GPU drivers, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, close overlays and screen recorders, and make sure Photoshop is using the correct graphics card. These steps solve most Vulkan and runtime errors without needing a full reinstall of Photoshop. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's dealing with the same Photoshop error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.